Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to be going over our Forex/futures recap for November 2nd. We went 6 for 7 on total wins for the plays, and we had a total pip gain of 50,716. So pretty great day. Very small loss that just barely was anything compared to the bigger size pot. But just really beautiful day. Going to be going over the biggest trade, which was our NQ short. But we'll take a quick look here. We had NQ short for 4,000 pips, another NQ short for 44,900 pips. We had a GBP JPY short for 431 pips, a GBP NZD short for 1,165 pips, and then we had an AUD CAD short for 170 pips and an NZD JPY short for 100 pips. So this was the re-entry, got back in after taking that initial loss, got stopped out, honored the stop loss. It did go our way eventually, but we were able to make back that initial loss plus double what we put in. So that was pretty good. So 6 wins down below. We can take a look at this real quick. This is the first drop. NQ plus 4,000. NQ, this was the 44,000. This is the play we're going to be going over today in the TradingView. This was GBP JPY. This was GBP NZD. And then we had AUD CAD right here. And NZD JPY. So these were kind of the smaller plays. This was on the 15-minute time frame. This was on the 30. This was on the 2-week, I believe. And GBP JPY up there as well. And Q, this was on the 15, I believe, and then this play was entered based off the 10-minute, and that is the play that we are going to be looking at today. So recap: 50,716 pips in the positive. Beautiful day, November 2nd, starting off the month strong following the first. So here we are going to look at NQ. This was the play that we took for the big win today. On the 10-minute time frame, we were overbought on the RSI. MACD was gold, so plenty of momentum to come down on the reversal, which we did end up once we got this white bar on the MACD. RSI was overbought, so we were looking for a breather to come down. The moment that we started shooting up, at this moment, I'm going to put my initial entry here, or actually we can make this a short position. So what I would be doing here is I would be putting my entry at this red line, and then I would put the stop loss at the high of current candle, okay? And then PT right there, right about where that wick is, okay? Then the moment that we printed the next candle, I am now going to raise my entry to the low of that current candle for the next candle. So on this big candle to the downside, that would have been our entry, and then at this point put in stop loss right there. So in this moment it was a 2-to-1 risk to reward ratio, but of course as the play goes on, we're just going to be moving our stop loss as the play goes. And eventually the play ended up going all the way for 44,900 ticks on this one play. So it was absolutely beautiful. This was all within 2 hours of the play happening. This was because of FOMC on the big drop. The moment that we entered in, came back up for a little retest, but it's pretty normal. But once FOMC news comes out in one way or another, we end up flowing that way. And so news ended up becoming negative, and we had a huge flush. So at this point, we raise our stop loss here. Can make it as a line. I would be putting my stop loss here. So entry was here. Once we came back up, we had this lower high, putting stop loss right here on this wick. So if we come back up and break it, takes me out, I'll be okay with that. Very tiny loss would give me a max loss of 3,477 ticks. So I could definitely take that for the amount that I am risking. I am totally comfortable with that for the potential to the downside, which we ended up having a huge play. So once this next candle prints, I would now be raising my stop loss, or should I say lowering, because we're betting to the downside. I would put my stop loss right here at this candle high. So if on the next candle we break current candle high, it stops me out. I'm taking at this point a guaranteed 6,700 tick win, which is beautiful. Then on the next candle, I just I lower the stop loss a little bit, and again and again and again, and we just follow that throughout the day. And so we wouldn't get stopped out until right here on this candle, when on the next candle we broke previous candle high, which we did see a little bit of recovery, baby. This was an aftermarket of the stock market, so you're not going to see too much volume. It's not really going to go crazy one way or the other. It's going to kind of stick sideways. We had all of our volume come in on the selling pressure when FOMC happened. So that right there, if you would have followed the strat to the T, you would have taken a 42,650 pip win. And that right there is just beautiful. If you took it to the bottom, that would have been 44,900 pips. And right there, 2,000 pips when you're at a difference of, when you're already in the positive of over 40,000 pips is absolutely beautiful. So great win for today, November 2nd. This was our biggest win of the day, our NQ short, this picture right here. Appreciate you guys. If you guys are still in this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Discord link is in the bio if you guys are interested in seeing the charts that I post. I post these charts with my stop loss, the little red portion right there. The moment that it hits the top, it stops me out. Take profit. Of course, this is going to be adjusted as we go through the play, but about where I see that we can potentially hit, and so a good profit target. If you have to walk away from the play at any point, if you're busy, you can just set the take profit, walk away, set your stop loss, and whatever happens happens. Majority of the time we have about a 90% hit rate, a little bit over that, so majority of the time you should be in the clear. But definitely a great thing about trading futures, you can just walk away at any point and let it do its thing. So thank you guys for watching the video. Going to be posting some more videos on YouTube this upcoming week. And just stay tuned, guys. All right, have a good day.